Okay, I'm just going to do a quick little post here. After all of this, all right, you take a look in here. Any of you have had to mess with an electrical gremlin? You know what I'm talking about. I honestly think that the truck's battery is defective because it is fairly new. It shows it's fully charged, but just on a whim, I couldn't crank it with this battery on the Taurus, but I basically skipped over, I disconnected the truck's battery up front and connected directly to my other car's battery, and all of my lights are staying on completely normal. My interior lights are staying on fully normal. The horn is working perfectly. Hazard lights are working perfectly. Unfortunately, that battery is not strong enough to crank this truck. It'll turn it over, but it wouldn't crank it. But are you kidding me? And it's a Duracell truck battery. I got it from Batteries Plus, which I usually have really good luck with all their stuff there. But before, like my interior light that you see glowing right there, it'd shine for a little while and then it would dim down for no reason. Same with all the interior lights. They would just dim out to nothing, down to like 5 volts, for no apparent reason. I've been sitting here for a good 15 minutes now, attached to my other car's battery, a little Taurus over there, and I'm having no voltage drop whatsoever. I cannot believe what I am telling you people, because as you plainly see, I've completely turned this interior inside out, looking for a gremlin of some sort, a shorted wire or a shorted, or a bad ground or something like most people say it should be, which makes perfect sense. But I honestly think I have a stupid, defective truck battery. I'll report back later after I go see if I can turn this one back in and see if they'll give me another one or a different one or something. But that's what I think is going on, and I am just blown away. Totally blown away by this. So, I shall report back, but that's what I think is going on. Anyway, I will talk to y'all later. 1990 Chevy K1500 that I thought had a gremlin in the wiring.